I'm going to show you the easiest no plugin, no code way to temporarily disable your WordPress site. Open your WordPress dashboard and click Pages in the left sidebar, then click Add New Page. Now you're in the block editor. Click the title field and type Website under Maintenance. That exact title is what you'll choose later in the reading settings, so don't make it something vague. Click in the empty content area and type a short message. We're currently updating our website. Please check back soon. Keep it short because visitors mainly need to know the site is temporarily unavailable and when they should return. If you want to add your logo, click the plus icon in the toolbar and choose Image. Click Upload, select your logo file and click Select. I always put the logo above the text because it makes the page look like a real maintenance page instead of a blank error. Now click the plus icon again, add a heading block above the message, and type We're temporarily unavailable. You can also add a return date right in the first paragraph, like We'll be back on Friday, May 15th. That little detail cuts down on emails from people asking if the site is broken. When the page looks right, click the blue Publish button in the top right. The button changes to a confirmation and the page is live. Now go to Settings in the left sidebar and click Reading. This is where WordPress decides what your front page shows. Find the Your Homepage Displays section, select a static page. Then open the Homepage dropdown and choose Website under Maintenance. I always double check this dropdown because if you pick the Post page instead, the Maintenance page never shows up. Click Save Changes at the bottom. Now open your website in a new browser tab and go to the Homepage. Your maintenance page should be the first thing visitors see. Keep in mind this only changes the home page. If someone types a direct URL to another page, they can still get through. That's the main limitation of this no-code method, so don't rely on it if you need every URL blocked. If you want the page to look a bit more professional, go back to Pages and then All Pages. Open Website under Maintenance. In the editor, click the plus icon and add a cover block for a large visual background. Inside the cover, add a heading block and type We'll be back soon. Then add a paragraph block below it and write something like We're making updates behind the scenes. Check back shortly. You can add a button block too. Use it for an email contact link or a page you still want visitors to reach. I usually link it to a contact page because that gives real visitors somewhere to go while the main site is down. Click the button, choose the link option, and paste in your contact page address or an email link. Then use the block settings to adjust the alignment and spacing. I set the cover block to full width and center the heading because that looks clean on a phone. You don't need a complicated page. A heading, short message, logo, and optional contact button are enough. When you're done, click Update to save the changes. When your maintenance work is finished, go back to Settings and click Reading. Under your homepage displays, select your normal homepage setting. If you had a specific static homepage before, open the homepage dropdown and select that page again. Click Save Changes. Then open your site in a new tab and refresh the page. Your normal homepage should be back. Before you wrap up, go to Pages and click All Pages. Check that your original homepage is still there and not deleted. I keep my maintenance page saved in the list too because you can switch back to it for future updates without rebuilding it. Then open an incognito or private browser window and type your domain. You should see the maintenance page if you still have it active, or the normal homepage if you already switched back. Finally, try typing a direct URL to another page in the same private window. You'll see that the rest of the site is still reachable. If you need true site-wide maintenance mode, WordPress's built-in options require WP-CLI or a code hook with the site editor template, not a simple dashboard switch. So for no plugins and no code, this homepage method is the simplest, reliable way. If this saved you some time, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this video to other people looking for the same fix.